The long-term value for Amana heat pumps. When choosing a heating and cooling system, it's not just about the upfront price. It's about the value it delivers over years of use. Amana heat pumps, installed by Twintech Heating Cooling, offer an unbeatable combination of durability, efficiency, and warranty protection. That makes them a smart long-term investment for Durham Region homeowners. Built to last, Amana designs its heat pumps with durability in mind. Heavy-gauge steel cabinets, weather-resistant finishes, and advanced protective features ensure the system can stand up to years of Ontario's demanding climate. This means fewer repairs and replacements over the life of the unit. Lower energy bills year after year. Thanks to high SEER and HSPF ratings, Amana heat pumps use less energy to heat and cool your home. Over time, these energy savings add up, helping offset the initial investment and keeping monthly bills lower without sacrificing comfort. Industry-leading warranty coverage. Amana's lifetime compressor replacement warranty and 10-year parts warranty protect your investment well into the future. If a major component fails, you're covered, reducing long-term repair costs and giving you financial peace of mind. All-season comfort in one system. By combining heating and cooling in a single unit, an Amana heat pump eliminates the need for separate systems. This not only saves space but also simplifies maintenance and reduces the costs associated with running multiple pieces of equipment. Increased home resale value. A high-quality, energy-efficient HVAC system is a selling point for potential buyers. An Amana heat pump, especially one backed by strong warranty coverage, can make your home more attractive on the market and may even increase resale value. Professional installation for maximum lifespan. Long-term value starts with proper installation. Twintech Heating Cooling ensures your Amana heat pump is correctly sized, expertly installed, and registered for full warranty benefits, so you can enjoy peak performance for years to come. From exceptional efficiency and durability to unmatched warranty protection, Amana heat pumps are built to deliver long-term value. When installed by Twintech Heating Cooling, Durham Region homeowners can enjoy reliable comfort, lower operating costs, and peace of mind that lasts well beyond the first season.